Namaste and welcome. Namaste and welcome to the second video of my quick Kriya series. In today's video, we're going to be doing a short practice for increasing the sexual energy, increasing our charisma, and filling us with this joyous, playful, fun energy. This Kriya, this action, is working specifically with Svadhisthana chakra, just 1 to 2 fingers above the genitals. This is connected with our sexual energy, our playfulness, our desire, our enjoyment of food and fun and enthusiasm, all of these things. So as we do this Kriya, we're going to be working on this kind of energy. To begin this Kriya, first we're going to come into Yoni Asana. So Yoni Asana is a kneeling position where we separate the heels and we sit between the heels. We want to make sure that the knees are straight, so the knees aren't touching each other and they're not opened up, in line with the hips. Now, of course, if you can't sit between the heels because flexibility doesn't allow, take a cushion and sit on it. If you need, take a couple cushions. Always make the practice accessible for yourself. We don't want pain. So this pose, Yoni Asana, is working specifically with a sub-chakra of Svadhisthana known as Yoni Chakra. Yoni Chakra is located at the area of the genitals. So it's the top of the clitoris for women, and it's the base of the penis for the men. Now we take the tips of the fingers, we open the arms, and we place the tips of the fingers on the floor. We're going to focus at the area of Yoni Chakra, at the genitals, and we're going to do a breathing technique known as Shitkhari Pranayama. This is a very cooling pranayama, really connecting us with the water element, which is the element of Svadhisthana. So we're going to be inhaling through clenched teeth. We hold the breath and we direct that down to the genitals. And then as we exhale through the nose, we feel this energy swelling, filling us with this sexual energy, filling us with this creative, imaginative, fantastic energy. Before we begin, we need to do 3 ventilation breaths. So that's a deep inhalation through the nose and a quick exhalation through the mouth. Beautiful. Coming to position, fingertips on the floor. We inhale through clenched teeth. We hold the breath and direct the energy down towards the area of the genitals. And as we exhale through the nose, we feel this energy expand. And continue, inhaling through the teeth. Holding the breath, sending the energy down towards the genitals. Exhaling through the nose. Really feel the moisture in the mouth. Send that energy down. Exhale through the nose. Inhale through the teeth. Remember, we're working on cultivating the sexual energy. So if you want to support yourself by bringing some sort of erotic fantasy or visualization into this, it can help to charge this area. Exhale through the nose. And continue. Send the energy down, send the energy down. Starting to feel this energy building in the area of the pelvis. And finish around your arm. Gently return to normal breathing, sitting with the eyes closed. Feel this energy you've created in the body. Feel the charging of Svadhisthana, the area of the genitals. Increased in excitement, enthusiasm, sexuality, fantasy, and imagination. Thank you so much. Have a great day.